install your own privacy glass without going to the kiosk malls and do it yourself. Clear or privacy, it's the same process. And I definitely going to recommend these. Welcome back to your review channel. Today we're looking at an item from, it's called New C is the company, and this is a tempered glass. We're going to actually apply it to our iPhone 14 Pro Max, and they have tempered glass for all kinds of phones, so definitely check out their store. I got this in a couple of days, and they have a couple different ones. They have privacy screen, they have clear. I went with a clear screen for myself. I'm going to actually show you how to install it. The kit comes with 3 glasses, 1 applicator, and a couple of things to clean the screens, get it prepped, because prep is everything. Super important before you apply this. And I think the biggest mistake people make is they don't prep the screen properly or as best they possibly can. So I use some glass cleaner. I got some special cleaner that I use here for like glasses, and I really clean the screen good myself. That's what I do. They do give you some cleaners in the kit. Let's take a look at the kit. Now this is an applicator. This is so you can put it on straight. This goes over your phone. This says here. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's what it says. And this goes here. Then the actual protector falls right inside. But that won't go on yet. We're going to put that to the side first. So what's in the kit is we have multiple wipe and clean right here. Like basically like alcohol preps and wipe and clean to dry that off. So you can clean, first you clean the screen with the alcohol prep, then you dry it. And then they have these anti-dust absorbers here. You can see here it says dust absorber. And what you do is just get off the loose dust before you actually apply the screen. So that's 3 sets of screens in here, and they give you 3 sets of everything. So that's really nice. So we only need 1 for the kit for the installation. So we'll just use 1 set for now. And let's put this to the side. These are guide stickers. I don't think you really need these with this guide. I think it should be all set. The screen protectors all come in these little foam cases. There's little slip cases they put them in. So only need 1. Let's put this to the side. So we get 1 screen protector. We have the applicator itself to keep it centered. We have the wipe, and we have the actual stuff here all to go. So this says here back. You can see here this goes on the back of the phone that's attached to the phone. Okay. And let's open this up here. So this is where the notch is, right here, the notch. And let's see, we look at the phone here. The notch will be on top. So this is going to go on top this way. That's how that's going to go. Now, it looks like I might have a little dirt here. I'm not sure if that's my fingerprint from before. It looks like it is. So you just get a little cloth and clean it if it's a little dirty, but that's because I did it. So what we do is before we stick it on, let's clean everything first. We're just going to peel this off. Takes off a layer right there, and then you put it on, and that's how you actually stick it to the actual glass. So we'll put this to the side right now, okay? And it's only 1 you have to take off, just the inner side. And it does say the back, so you do know this goes on the phone itself. So we're all set to go for the installation. Now we have to do the cleaning first. So let's get our alcohol prep out. Let's get that ready. Even though I cleaned the phone already, that's fine. It doesn't matter. It's always good to always over clean when it comes to these things, because that's really the secret to these phones. Now this is kind of small. I wish it would give it a little bigger one, but that's probably enough. Actually, it is enough. Okay. And it just cleans the screen, and you want to get everything clean as possible. Go all around like I'm doing, like here. All right. All around. And then you want to get the dry one. All right. This is just a dry, and you want to wipe it down after you washed it. Okay. Now, these could have been a little bit more generous size. I think this is really kind of small, but that's what they give you. You probably don't need much more than that, honestly. And you just dry it up. And make sure you dry it really good. It's alcohol, so it's going to dissipate. And try to keep your fingers off the screen. So the idea is to get the oils and all the imperfections, dust, dirt, so the application goes on smoothly. So you don't want to get any air bubbles. That's the idea behind that. So let's give this a good cleaning, okay, like that. And then I'll turn it over, and I'll do this other side, and just use my 2 fingers and keep my fingers off the screen. That's what you want to do, and that is hopefully good enough. Now, you take this other piece here, this dust absorber, they call it, and basically, let's put on the applicator. Let's get that ready. I think we're ready for that. And then you just want to go around. If there's any dust anywhere. Now, the applicator keeps it straight. That's the idea behind the applicator, okay? And just go like this, bounce around the whole screen. Make sure you get any loose dirt, dust, hair, things like that that's flying around. Again, that's what causes all the bubbles in your screen. All the bubbles in your screen. Let's go all around like that, down the middle. And that looks good. Put that to the side. Now let's work on the screen. We just basically, to the side so you can see, we're going to pull this off, this film. Okay. We're just going to pop it in. Right here, we have the guide to help us get it on. And we're just going to press in the middle of your phone. Okay. Like that. And then we're going to work it to the sides. And that's pretty much all you got to do. And that's got all the air bubbles should start going to the sides and just start pushing them around to the phone. And this will settle. And you might see a couple small air pockets here and there, but honestly, this will settle into place eventually. And everything gets really, actually, this is applying pretty easily. Pretty easy here. This bottom part, just got to give that a push it down. You just use your fingers and just work it all around and just push those air bubbles out. And if you have to lift it a little bit to get them out, you can. It's not going to hurt the phone at all. I think it's time to take this applicator off now. That's fine. And now you can work it all around. And that was actually pretty good. Wow. Well, I have to say, I don't see any air bubbles. I mean, really don't. A couple, that's just fingerprints here. That's all that is. And we'll get that off. Yep, that's just a fingerprint. And this really worked really well, guys. So I'm going to give this really a good score. It's got pretty good reviews. The application was pretty seamless. It feels really smooth. It's got a good response. And that looks perfect. Okay, let's boot up the phone. I'll show you you saw the video of me putting it on the clear glass. Now we're doing it. They have two different ones I got. I got privacy and I got the clear. So my phone got the clear. And you saw that, how perfectly that works. It's just no issues whatsoever. I mean, it just works perfectly, and I love it. So now we're going to do another phone, and we're going to put on the privacy. I'm going to show you how to do the same exact procedure, but we're going to put the privacy glass on. So this is the clear, and here is the privacy. Now, the same thing in the kit, same thing. It's got the same guide. Put this to the side. You got the same setup and all the wipes and everything in here as well. Everything's in here. You got all the extra wipes and all the extra things that you need, preps. So we're doing the exact same thing. We're going to clean the glass. We're going to get it ready. There's 3 sets of each one of these kits. So you saw the first one with the clear had 3 sets. These have the anti-spy, they call them, or privacy glass, whatever you want to call them. But this is the privacy glass. And let's put this to the side. So you saw, this is the clear. Here is the privacy. So we're going to do the privacy one. And we do the exact same prep. Let me just show you how it looks like in the kit here. It's all protected, and you get 3 in the kit, so that's really nice as well. So let's take this one out, show you. Here is the privacy. You can see the difference. It's got that angling, so you can see here actually. As soon as you put the angling on, watch what happens to my hand. It disappears. See how that works? So that way you don't see. Here's my watch, right? Angle, boom. Basically, so anybody at a 45-degree angle won't see what's going on, and that's actually pretty cool. I like that. That's a nice feature if you like the privacy. It's totally up to you. You know, turn the watch, boom, it's gone. And they have these for watches. They have these for iPhones and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to put it on. So this says the same exact thing as the other one. This says the back here. Now this one has a hole in it and the other one did not have a hole in it. And the reason why, I believe, is because it's dark and the other one's clear, which makes sense. And it's got a little fingerprint on here. We'll just get rid of that, clean that off first. So this goes on the back side. It's got the notch, exact same thing. It's really, really super easy. But the big deal is, honestly, guys, it's the prep. Prep. I'm gonna tell you, I use glass. I clean this whole phone even before I even started using the wipe. So clean first, then go in with the alcohol wipes and the dry wipes. So that's the easiest way, because the cleaner the glass is, the faster the application works. Okay, so let's get the wet one out, just like we did with the clear glass. And if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. It really means a lot to me. I really do appreciate that. Hopefully I can help you not be afraid to do this on your own and don't have to go to those kiosks and they charge you a fortune. Just do it yourself, because basically they're doing exactly what I'm showing you what to do. Exactly. So this is an alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and just gets all the fingerprints off, the dust, dirt, and you just want to wipe it all down really good. Because the cleaner it is, remember that, the cleaner it is, the better everything works. Put that to the side. Actually, it doesn't even smell like alcohol. Maybe it's not alcohol. Maybe it's just some kind of glass cleaning solution, but I thought it was alcohol, but it's not. My bad. I thought it was alcohol. It's not. It's a glass cleaning solution, probably like your eyeglass cleaner, which is fine. That's actually good. I like that. And then you take the other pad and you just wipe dry. Okay. So that is the big secret. First you clean, and then you dry. Wash and dry. That's always important. Now this phone does have a couple little scratches on the original screen. The person who had it didn't put a protection glass on it right away, but it shouldn't affect this application. Just keep wiping it till you see no smudge marks. It's very important. Make sure everything is clear. Now the glass is as clean as it's going to get. It's not perfect, but because the screen itself is not perfect, but that's just the way it is. All right. So that looks pretty good. Looks good, good, good. Okay, now we put the applicator on. What this does is just keeps things in line. That's the idea behind the applicator, okay? Now, the next step is, like I showed you with the other phone, is this the tacky thing. This is the dust up. This gets rid of all the dust. So just in case you've missed anything when you're doing the first wiping, which is really should be perfect, but this is just really important just to get this done. Any small hair particles, anything like that, that's maybe just fell, anything at all. So just go around, do that. You can see it's pretty clear, but that's just an extra bonus of protection. Now we take the screen itself. Okay, we pull off the back side like I showed you before. This comes off. All right, and then you just line it to the back of this camera. You see the lens, everything matches. Put it down. That's why you need, especially for the dark one, I definitely can see you need that guide. And just start from the middle, just like I showed you from the other one. And you basically push out and just keep pushing out. And this one here, hard to see because it's dark, but just push all the air to the side, rub the middle, and it should seat itself pretty good. This one's doing, it's a little bit harder to see this one here. Leave this on for now. Push this to the bottom, push this to the side. Use your fingernail, and everything is working out well. That looks pretty good. Yep, and just keep working it. So that's what you gotta do. Just gotta keep working it back and forth and just get it. And eventually all that stuff will come out all to the side. That looks good. And if you got some bubbles, you can also open it up and just replace it down. But I think it looks really, really good. You can see here, looks pretty flat. Now let's boot it up. Take this off. Let's boot up the phone. And I always find actually when it dries, you even get a better job when it dries too. Let's make sure I get that off there. And you can always work it with fingers and just move it to the side, get it out of there. There we go. Oh, that one's perfect. Okay. Yeah, you just got to really work with it. That looks really good. All right. Now you can see the time, and now you can't. See the time, now you can't. And that's it. So we got the privacy screen on. Good to go. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If I taught you how to do this, leave some feedback. I really do appreciate that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. And I hope I taught you how to install your own privacy glass without going to the kiosk malls and do it yourself. Clear or privacy, it's the same process. And I definitely going to recommend these on the new C. I'll leave links down below. There'll be links, so check it out. I think you won't be disappointed with the process. Just follow this video and do exactly as I did, and you should be in good shape. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and make it a great day.